Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Modelers Cup. We're going to take up the Freewing F-16. All right, this is the 70mm, run on mid rates, which are for me 80% or 15% expo all the way around. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right.
Motor off. Motor on.
Motor on. Up, down. All right. Here we go.
Gear up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down.
We're gonna have to go. I don't know if y'all caught it or not, but definitely had a lightning strike off in the distance, and I can hear the thunder. Okay. That wasn't an intentional touch and go, but that's what it ended up being.
Gear down.
There we go. Oh, shoot. Trying to make that curve too fast. And that nose cone though, I tell you, that nose cone, just the slightest little bit of bump and she'll come flying off of there. But that's okay. And that's actually what I was supposed to let that kinetic energy go out with that, instead of something more important like your gear or your control surfaces. All right, how are we doing? Right, left, down. Nose cone looks fine. Let's get her turned around. Let's make sure the gear, because I kind of went sideways just a little bit. Yeah, we're fine. Oh. I did catch my pylon there. That's easy enough to fix. Okay, and let's, better off should just let it roll straight on out. See, nose cone just came right off. It's fine. All right.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down.
All right. This plane here, you want to see the belly of it. Yeah, there we go. Want to be able to see the belly of it. All right.
Gear down.
There we go, just let her roll. Yeah, there we go. All right. flush. I mean, it looks even, but you sink way down into it. And you can see how that nose gear, yeah, is down in there. So yeah, I don't even want to try to force it. So, all right. I'm very impressed with this plane. I really am. All right.
Gear up. Gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
About 3/4 of throttle there.
Gear up. Gear down.
Oh man.
30 seconds.
All right.
30 seconds.
I've got to be able to wear on this plane, since I don't have flaps and I don't have flapper-ons, which I probably should try doing that. I need to start putting her down within the first 10 feet of that runway. Be able to time it to where she's touching down somewhere right around here.
9.
So if she's touching down around here, I've got all this run out. So, and our runway, I think, is only, I think it's 150, maybe 200 feet. So it's not a very long runway at all. But anyways, there you go. That is the Freewing F-16. I only lost my nose cone once. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Motor off. And let's take a look at this beautiful bird and tell you how much I got left in the tank. Now I repaired it, obviously, when I had that crash where I took off this section. Well, this just glued right back on, pretty as you please. And I had a little crunch right there. The nose popped off like it's supposed to. But isn't that a beautiful jet? Absolutely beautiful jet. That really is. I mean, that thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting. We're going to check the tank. See how much is left in the tank, like GB Linden says on his channel. Which, by the way, him and John C. And GB, they make some really great videos. And I have actually purchased a few planes just based upon their recommendations. And so 44%. I could have gone for another minute. So, or well, at least another 30 seconds. You got to remember, folks, EDFs, 3 minute to 3.5 minute, maybe in a 4-minute flight. That's all you're going to get, because they suck juice out of a battery so quickly. But it's such a fun ride while you're doing it. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and planes. Bye-bye.